Welcome to IITC channel. This is Ved Prakash Singh from IITC. Now we are going to see golden rule on permit to work. We will see following question, but not limited to. We will see what do you mean by golden safety rule or golden safety rules. We will see the importance of permit to work. We will see what do you mean by life-saving rules. We will see different type of permit to work and certificates. We will also see why permit to work is required. Guys, my humble request to you is please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon, and please also send this link to your friends and professional WhatsApp group. You can use this slide for training your people, operation team, safety team, maintenance team, construction team, engineering team, contract workers. You can also use this link as a safety moment. You can also use this link as a toolbox training for people on permit to work. Guys, let us understand what do you mean by golden safety rule. Golden safety rule is nothing but only it is lesson learned through a series of serious incidents which has been converted ultimately into the best work practices. So that means this is the lesson learned through the serious incidents which has ultimately become a best work practices. When we are saying serious incidents means fatality or permanent disability. Let us understand permit to work. Guys, I hope you understand permit to work. I have prepared one small presentation of 15 minutes. What is permit to work, types of permit to work, checklist of permit to work, types of certificates, and do's and don'ts of permit to work in a separate presentation. Please try to search in the IITC channel. You will find this program and you can go through this program as per your convenience. Now we are here in the golden safety rule of permit to work. Work permit is an essential and mandatory management tool to be adopted for non-routine or dangerous activity. So we have to understand the permit to work golden rule requires following. A permit system with relevant supporting procedure shall be in place and systematically implemented. Non-routine or high risk activity shall be subjected to risk assessment and permit to work controls. PTW system relevant authorities like issuing authority, performing authority or approving authority and other authorized person, competent person responsibilities shall be defined, explained, trained and understood and should be implemented. Personnel signing PTW shall be trained and pre-accountable for the implementation of conditions of permit to work system. All the work activities requiring permits shall be planned and coordinated in order to control risk caused by simultaneous activity. All the personnel working under permit to work shall receive unnecessary information about the control and they have to be trained appropriately. Refresher training must be there. Our work can only start after all the controls specified in the permit have been put in place and verified. Work shall be suspended and reassessed if in case of change occurs to scope of work, tools, equipment, personnel or any other control or the permit work system, or this can be stopped immediately in case of any accident. The permit to work system is an essential and mandatory management tool to enable safe system of work to be implemented for hazardous activity. Guys, these are the basic requirement for golden rule of permit to work system. As I mentioned that I have prepared a separate program for permit to work system around 15 minutes. Please search onto IITC channel. You will find it. You will give and get complete information about the permit to work, what is permit to work, type of permit to work, checklist of permit to work, who can do what is approving authority, what is performing authority, what is issuing authority, what are the pros and cons of permit to work. Guys, I hope this information was useful for you. If you have any question, please feel free to put in the comment section so that I can come back to you ASAP basis. With this, guys, thank you very much. Have a nice day. Jai Hind.